Ever wondered how AI models can juggle so many tasks, writing essays, solving math problems, or even coding, without getting confused? It's like watching a magician perform multiple tricks at once, but the real magic isn't in the tricks themselves. It's in how they're connected. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough that's rewriting the rules of how AI learns to handle multiple tasks, without overcomplicating things. Let's start with the basics. Large language models are like superpowered libraries of knowledge, but they need a little help to adapt to specific jobs. That's where parameter-efficient fine-tuning comes in. Think of it as giving your car a tune-up, instead of rebuilding the engine. One popular method, LoRA, low-rank adaptation, works by adding tiny, specialized modules to a model's existing weights, like upgrading your car's GPS instead of redesigning the whole dashboard. But here's the twist. When models have to handle multiple tasks, most approaches rely on complex setups. Imagine using separate GPS systems for every route you take, each with its own map and settings. That's the traditional way, multi-head or multi-adapter systems, where each task gets its own head or adapter to process information. The idea is that task-specific features need their own space. But what if that's not the case? This is where a new study shakes things up. Researchers found that simpler setups often outperform these complex ones. They tested a model called M-LoRA, which strips away the fancy, dynamic routing that usually switches between task-specific heads. Surprisingly, M-LoRA, despite having heads that are very similar to each other, beat more complicated models. It's like discovering that a single, well-calibrated GPS works better than 5 different ones for the same trip. Why? The team thinks it's because these models are overcomplicating things. Instead of isolating task-specific features, they should focus on learning shared, robust representations, like a universal language all tasks can use. This led to their bold hypothesis. Effective multitask learning isn't about separating tasks, but aligning them. To test this, they created Align-LoRA. This method doesn't add new complexity. It uses a clever trick called divergence to nudge different tasks toward the same mental space. Imagine training a group of chefs to follow the same recipe, even if they have different styles. Align-LoRA ensures their flavors blend smoothly, rather than clashing. The results? Align-LoRA outperformed all previous methods, proving that simplicity can be powerful. It's like finding a shortcut through a maze that everyone else missed. So what does this mean for the future of AI? It suggests we might be overcomplicating things. By focusing on shared knowledge and alignment, we can build models that are both efficient and versatile. And the best part? The code is open source, so anyone can experiment with this new approach. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore how this works in practice, check the link in the description. And if you're curious about how AI learns, hit subscribe. There's always more to discover. Ever wondered how your favorite AI assistant really understands you? It's not some lone genius in a lab. It's a whole team of experts working together, guided by a clever system that keeps everything running smoothly. Think of it like a customer service call center. When you ask a question, it's not just one person handling it. Instead, specialized experts jump in. Some decode your words, others analyze context, and a smart router directs the conversation to the right person at the right time. This teamwork is what makes AI so powerful. The router isn't a person, though. It's an algorithm that prioritizes and routes your query to the most relevant part of the system. It's like a traffic director, making sure your request gets to the right department, faster than a confused customer shouting into a phone line. The big takeaway: AI isn't magic, it's collaboration. By breaking tasks into specialized parts and coordinating them efficiently, these systems can handle everything from answering trivia to diagnosing medical conditions. So next time you chat with an AI, remember, you're not just talking to a machine. You're interacting with a network of human ingenuity, optimized by smart technology. Stay curious, and we'll dive deeper into how these systems keep getting smarter next time.